Head to Tours in your Chameleon dashboard and hit Create a Tour. Let's give it a name and select the tour type. For this particular recipe, an announcement would be best. Add a step, and then you can choose to start from scratch or select one of the pre-built Chameleon templates. Some good options would be a banner or a modal. Let's select the modal and enter the builder. Now it's time to get creative and style the tour step. So I'm going to go ahead and customize the modal. And here's the finished result. As a recap, I've added an eye-catching title with text that's relevant to the users you'll be sending this experience to. I've adjusted the colour and the font size, and I've also added in some text and a somewhat humorous image. I've adjusted the width of the modal and also the colour to be on brand and stand out to your users. And I've changed the text here to direct them to your team. Then we're going to add the link to allow users to instantly book a meeting with your team through Chili Piper. To do this, click on the button, click on Add Action and Chili Piper. Then you'll see you've got two options. You can add a static URL which links to one meeting. Let's see what that looks like. Head to your Chili Piper app, find your meeting that you created earlier under Booking Links, copy the link, head back to Chameleon, select static URL and pop it in here. Then we can go ahead and preview it to see what it looks like to your users. And you'll see that the Chili Piper modal immediately appears and your user can select the time that best works for them. The second option is concierge routing. So meetings get directed to the relevant person on your team as per the queue you set up in Chili Piper. Select concierge, enter your router name, which you can find here in Chili Piper. Once you're happy with your modal, head back to the dashboard. Then we're going to choose the environment that you want to publish to. And select the audience, which will be the segment that we created earlier. Here, you can choose whether you want to run a test or not. Next, we'll select a recurrence, and we're going to select for it to not repeat, because it's a personalised experience for a specific day, so it won't make sense if they see it on another day. To define a goal, you can set up various different events to track goals on this tour. But let's keep this as tour completion. Lastly, choose whether you want to publish immediately or on a custom date, and if you want to set the tour to unpublish, never, or on a specific date. Let's go ahead and select immediately and set your experience live.